In this video, I'll show you how to enable VPN in the Opera browser on your mobile phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Opera app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. From here, you'll see a few options. One of them is VPN. Simply tap the switch next to it to turn it on. Now, if you see a small message pop up at the bottom, just wait a few seconds until the VPN connects automatically. Or, if you want more control, tap on Settings. Inside the VPN settings page, you can manage your preferences, choose whether the VPN should work for all tabs or only private ones, and even select your virtual location if you want to browse from a specific region. After that, go back to your browser and you'll notice a small VPN icon near the address bar. That means it's now connected and your browsing data is encrypted. However, keep in mind that Opera's built-in VPN is free, but it doesn't always work in every country, especially in places with stronger internet restrictions. If it doesn't connect properly or the speed feels slow, I recommend using a premium service like NordVPN, which gives you better connection stability, faster speeds, and access to more regions worldwide. And that's it. That's how you enable and use VPN in Opera browser on your mobile device. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.